There are three parts of this lesson, and first part, Gohan culture, a baker from Goa. We have read, and in olden days, making bread was a very good profession. And second part, question answers we have discussed, and second part of this chapter we are going to start. This is glimpses of India. Kurung. Courage. Courage is one thing I am telling you. It is about Karnataka, people of Karnataka. Understand? Glimpses of India. Courage introduction. Introduction of this lesson. I want to read this one first. And the lesson gives us a beautiful insight of smallest district of Karnataka and its people. You know very well, South Indian state Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and southern part of India. The places has amazing weather throughout the year with enough rain during the monsoon season. You know very well. Nowadays, when when monsoon comes, you know very well, it comes from Tamil Nadu first. From Tamil Nadu, it enters in India. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh. Understand? So after that, it comes to Punjab, Haryana. Understand? So this is the people of Kurins are known to be one of the bravest. One thing I am telling you, bravest people, Sikh battalion, people are considering people are considering the bravest community. You can say people of Nepal. They are small stature, but they are very brave. They are very brave people. Understand? So that is coffee is the main crop grown in this region. Coffee. Coffee, you know very well. Coffee and other species of we are getting from Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Black pepper we are getting from them. Long we are getting from them. Understand? Coffee you can see also. A variety of animals can be found here while the place is surrounded by beautiful Brahmagiri hills, island and Tibetan settlements. Very beautiful, I am telling you. If you want to go, you want to wander in India, you should go to South India also, southern part of India also. Summary I am going to teach you. Summary, after summary, you will come to know. This is the gist of the lesson. Gist of the lesson. The writer described the hill station of Krung, located in the Western Ghats in the state of Karnataka. It is located midway between Bangalore, you know Bangalore, it is what it was called first, and Mangalore. And the suitable time to visit Gurung is from September to March. If you want to go, this is the month of September, you can go, and you can go in the month of November, October, December, January. Understand? The place is famous for coffee plantation and species. I told you this one also. Coffee plantation and species we are getting from southern part of India. There are abundant rainforests which cover 30% of the area. The Krungi men are brave warriors who are permitted to keep firearms without a license due to their trustworthiness. Trustworthiness, you know, without any license. 10th class, I am telling you, if you want any weapon, you must take license from the government. But in that area, Kurungi people, they are not getting any license from the Karnataka government because of their trust, because the government has trust on them. You can see The women of Kurung are pretty. Pretty, you know, beautiful. They are beautiful. Kungi is also known as Kodabu and Kodabus. Though are Hindus by religion, but their customs differ from those of mainstream Hindus. They marry within their community. You know very well. It happens only in India. Understand? What happens? We are not thinking about without our community. If you are from Sikh family, you will marry in the Sikh family only. We are not thinking. If you are from Hindu family, you are thinking about marriage in Hindu family. So they are also thinking to marry in the same community. Understand? Kodabos are said to be the Greek or Arabian descents. Descent, you understand? I am telling you, you have listened the name of Skandar. So many people they come with them, with that person, and after the battlement, they settled in Karnataka. People are saying like this. Understand? People are saying like this. Some soldiers of Alexander's army, you can see Alexander's army settled is there. Alexander the Great, his soldiers they settled in Karnataka, and also as the ethnic dress of the Kodabus, Kopia is similar to the Arab garment Kufia. It is said that maybe their ancestors were Arabs or Kurds. The river Kaveri originated from Kurg. The fish named Mahasir is found in the river. Many animals and birds like kingfisher, langur, squirrels, elephants can be spotted along the river. Tourists relax in the serene atmosphere and also enjoy adventure sports like river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, mountain biking, rock climbing, and trekking. While trekking on the nature trails, animals like moths, Malabar, squirrels, langurs, slender lories can be spotted on the trees. The major tourist attraction are Brahmagiri Hills, Nasser Dham Island, and Balkupi Tibetan settlements. Kurung gives visitors a feel of India's diverse cultures. Diverse culture means I want to tell you India is one, but there are so many cultures, there are so many languages, there are so many castes, but unity in diversity, that is called India. Unity in diversity, that is called India. Understand? Midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Malagore sits a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. This island of rolling hills is inhabited by the proud race of martial men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. Drafted away means being carried along gently by air. Martial means having to do with bar. Krong so is place so beautiful that it seems like a piece of heaven has drifted away from God's kingdom and has settled on the earth. It is somewhere between Mysore and Mangalore. It is an area with low hills of unequal height. The men are brave warriors and the women of Krung are pretty. The place has a variety of wild animals too. The Kurung or Kodagu, the smallest district of Karnataka, is home to evergreen rainforests, species, and coffee plantations. Most of the coffee we are getting from Karnataka. evergreen for rainforest cover 30% of this district. During the monsoons, it pours enough to keep many visitors away. The season of joy commences from September and continues till March. You can go there. There is no, I am telling you, in a northern part of India, there is a lot of cold. When you will go to Andhra Pradesh, you will go to Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, there is 34-35 degrees Celsius temperature. There is no cold, understand? So that is, you can go there. The weather is perfect with some showers thrown in for good measures. The air breeze of invigorating coffee estates and colonial bungalows stand tucked under the tree canopies in prime corners. Canopies means roof-like coverings made of trees that form a shelter. Prime means here best. Invigorating means strong, hair strong. Also known as Kodagu, it is one of the smallest districts of Karnataka. 30% of the area of Kurung is covered with green evergreen rainforest, and place receives rain for most part of the year, especially during the monsoon season. The period from September to March is ideal for visiting Kurung. The weather is pleasant. There is some rain which makes it worthwhile. The air is filled with the strong fragrance of coffee during the abundant coffee plantation. Clear to all of you? The Farkli independent people of Kurung are possibly of Greek and Arabic descendant. Descended means they are coming from that generation to this generation. As Jew people are descendant of your parents. As one story goes, the part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled here with when return become impractical. These people married amongst the locals and their culture is apparent in the martial traditions, marriage and religious rites which are distinct from the Hindu mainstream. The theory of Arab origin draws sport from the long black coat with an embroidered vest belt worn by the Kobadus, known as kufia. It resembles the kufias worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. Mainstream means a tradition which become most people follow. Tales of valor means story of courage and bravery, usually in the bar. Descended means origin. The people of Kurung are believed to be the Greek or Arab background and are generally furious. And this theory came into being because of their dressing style. They are generally seen wearing long and black coat with embroidered based belt known as kupia. Kupia is similar to the kufia worn by Arabians and Kurds. It is also rumored that some people of Alexander's army could not return to their homeland, so they settled there here while returning from the south. The people of Kurung marry each other, and their culture as well as rituals are very different from ones followed by Hindus. You can see the picture of Kurung. Kurungi homes have a tradition of hospitality. Hospitality means when somebody is coming to your home and you people are very happy and you are feeding them well. That is called hospitality, and they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of valor related to their sons and fathers. The Kurung regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian Army, and the first chief of the Indian Army, General Kuriappa, was the Kurungi. Yes, when Pandit Nehru was the Prime Minister of India, at that time Kuriappa, he was general, army general, Indian army general. Understand? Was Kurungi, and even now Kodabus are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. if you want to keep Nitin Singh, if you want to keep anything with you, you have to take license from the government. But in the opposite, Kurungi people, they don't have license, but they can keep the weapon. They can keep with them weapons. Most decorated means having received the maximum number of awards for bravery in a bar. People are very welcoming and warm in nature. They are always ready to entertain with the stories of their ancestors. They are known to be independent, ferocious, and brave, which is evident from the fact that the Kurung regiment in the Indian Army has received the maximum number of awards for bravery. The first chief of the Indian Army, named General Kuriappa, belonged to Kurung. Also, there are only people permitted to carry firearms freely, unlike others who need a license. This shows that the Kurungi are reliable too. Reliable means we can believe on them. Reliable means on whom we can believe, जिनके ऊपर विश्वास किया जा सके. Yes, next part of the lesson I am going to start. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forest of Kurung. Mahashir, a large freshwater fish, abundant in these waters. Abundant means बहुतात होना किसी चीज की. That fish you can see, Mahashir, a largest freshwater fish you can see there. Kingfishers dive for their catch, while squirrels and langurs drop partially eaten fruit for the mischief of enjoying the splash and the ripple effect in the clear water. Elephants enjoying being bathed and scrubbed in the river by their mohats. Chiefly, mischief means playful behavior. Ripple effect means a small wave or series of waves on the surface of water, especially as caused by a slight breeze or an object dropping into it. Mohis means a person who walks with, rides, and tends an elephant. You people are the evergreen forest and hills of Kurung provide water to river Kaveri, a major river in South India. A large freshwater fish called mahasir is found in these waters and is looked for by the birds. Squirrels and langurs play in these waters by throwing half-eaten fruit, whereas elephants enjoy bathing in it. So next part, the most laid-back individuals become converts to the life of high energy adventures with river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking. Numerous walking trails in this region are the favorite with the trekkers. Land back, relaxed, not in hurry. Rafting means traveling in a river in a raft, a floating platform made by tying planks together. Canoeing, traveling in a river in a canoe, large narrow boat. Rappelling, going down a cliff by sliding down a rope. Trials means paths created by walking. Yes, you can see the tourists who visit Kurung to relax in the natural beauty of the place also get attracted towards the various adventure sports activities available like river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, mountain climbing. The hills have various paths formed by footsteps of walkers who trek there. Clear to all of you, bete? Everyone is listening?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No problem, no
Yes, sir.
problem.
Yes, sir.
The lesson is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Sir.
Words, bees, butterflies are there to
Yes,
give you
sir.
company. Understand? Hawks, Malabar squirrels, langurs, and slender lories keep a watchful eye from the tree's canopy. I do, however, prefer to step aside for wild elephants. While taking a walk in their region, one may find a variety of animals around them. Birds, bees, butterflies fly around you, while squirrels and langurs keep an eye on you from the trees. Wild elephants can also be found in Kurung. He climbed to the Brahmagiri hills, brings you into a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Kurung. You walk across the rope bridge leads to the 64-acre island of Nasser Gandama, running into Buddhist monks from India's largest Tibetan settlement at nearby Balakupi is a bonus. The monks in red arch and yellow robes are amongst the many surprises that wait to be discovered by visitors searching for the heart and soul of India. Right here in Kurung, panoramic view, a view of a wide area of land. To have an overall look at the beautiful city of Kurung, one must climb up to the Brahmagiri hills. Kurung is surrounded by astonishing places of beauty like the island of Nasser, Gadima, and Belkupi, which is India's largest Tibetan settlement. Monks wearing red, orange, and yellow colored garments can also be found in the district of Kurung, where their lifestyle is a fascinating view of the travelers. A mix of diverse cultures can be seen here, which represents the heart and soul of India. So, this was the lesson, boys and girls. Very beautiful lesson. And if you get a chance to go there, you should go to Karnataka. Understand? You should go to Karnataka and you should go to the district Kurung also. Glimpses of India Kurung question answers. Where is Kurung? Kurung is the smallest district of Karnataka and is located somewhere between Mysore and coastal city of Mangalore. What is the story about the Kuda people's descendant? Anybody can read? Tamanna, are you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Second question answer. Answer you should read.
Sir, actually the screen is not clear.
Not clear.
Due to
Okay, okay.
internet issue.
Anybody whose screen is very
Okay,
clear?
I read.
Huh? Anybody whose screen is clear can read.
Yes, sir.
Aryan, you can read.
Yes, sir.
Okay, read please. Okay, may I?
What is the story about the Kodu people's descent? It is said that the Kodu are of either Greek or Arabic descent. According to one story, a part of Alexander's army could not return to its homeland and so settled there. As the traditional dresses of the Kodaus, Kupia is similar to the dress of the Arabs and Kurds. The Kufia, it is said that probably the Kodus are
Descendants of the Arabs. Yes. Question number 3. What are some of the things you know about people of Kurung?
People of Kog are known to be descendants of the Greeks or the Arabs. This is because of their dressing style. They are independent and ferocious. They are the bravest soldiers in the Indian army. At the same time, they are welcoming and are known for their hospitality. They have married amongst their locals and their culture is very different from what is seen in mainstream Hindus.
Very good. The main crop of Kurung.
Coffee is the main crop of Korg. During the monsoon season when the weather is pleasant and the wind is blowing, it carries with it the strong fragrance importance of coffee. Coffee estates with colonial bungalows are evident and even provide homestays for visitors to experience the odd way of life.
The sports it offers to tourists.
A variety of high energy adventure activities are offered to tourists like river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking. Trekking is also one of the famous activities.
Animals you like to see in Kurung.
Fishes like mahasi are found in the waters of the river Kaveri. Birds like kingfisher and other animals like squirrel, langurs, butterflies, bees accompany you in this area, while wild elephants can be seen enjoying bathing in the rivers. If you are on a trek, macaws, Malabar squirrels, langurs, and slender lorries can be spotted on the trees.
Its distance from Bengaluru and how to get there.
Cork is at a distance of 260 kilometers from Bangalore. The nearest airport are Mangalore 135 kilometers and Bangalore 260 kilometers. There are flights to Mangalore from Mumbai and to Bangalore from Ahmedabad, Chennai, Delhi, Goa, Hyderabad, Kochi, Kolkata, Mumbai and Pune. The nearest rail heads are at Mysore, Bangalore and Hassan. There are two routes to Cork from Bangalore. Both are almost the same distance, around 250 to 260 kilometers. The route via Mysore is the most frequent one. The other route is via Neelamangal, Kuningal, Chandrapattan.
Okay, no problem. Different names, and this is I am telling you question answers you can do, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Third part we will start tomorrow. Tea from Assam introduction. Okay, third part of this lesson is tea from Assam. We are taking tea. Understand? We are very fond of taking tea, and most of the students they cannot get from the bed, and they are getting tea, and they are asking for bed tea. Understand? And we are taking from the whole tea is transported from northeast India, northeast Assam, and I want to say Tripura, Meghalaya, Manipur,
Arunachal.
Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. Yes, so that is why I am telling you. When I was in Tripura, I visited so many sites of tea plantation. I have seen, and how can you make a tea from the leaves? I have seen there also. So many things I have seen there. So that is why we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Am I right, wrong?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
So many students, 7, 8 students have gone.